doing great and welcome back to another video. In the last video you must have In the last video you must have watched about the Insta360 and in this video we're gonna fly. Let's not wait no more and you must have guessed by now, and today we are unboxing a drone. In the last video we have discussed a lot about the technology that's been to the camera world, and today we are just adding one more product to the vlogging setup. Drones are quite a bit important for a photographer or a vlogger because the aerial shots with a large amount of background makes it all the difference, guys, because you try to capture it in and around. So drones, they go out, they come down, they circle, they twist, they make cinematic shots, what not. Can you I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. So this is a great purchase as well during the sale, but this is from Amazon. Okay. So there is a problem with this package because it came tampered. Somebody have put a plaster on this. They have cut a lot of portion here. I don't know if your camera can see. Yes, this is how it has come, and I don't know if the product from inside has been tampered with. Let's look for ourselves. So it says clearly on this, do not cut here. The number 123 should be appearing, but they have cut and they have applied a plaster here. Can you see the plaster? Yes. I think this is a 1 foot cut. Okay, anyways, let's take a look. I'm not worried about Amazon because of its return policy. We can exchange the product, but the only problem is these drones are out of stock. That is a big problem. So I'm just going to cut the rest of the. Okay, I'm putting this aside. So this is also is cut open. Can you see this, guys? This is also cut open. Okay. The packaging is the worst, guys. This is the worst packaging that I've come across on Amazon so far. It's quite terrible, guys. Really terrible. At least good that they have stuffed in some paper. At least this would have protected the drone from damage from the outer side. Okay, I'll leave this aside. Oh good lord. The toy is not tampered with. The drone is. So inside the package everything seems intact. There are no physical damages out there. Of course it crumpled a bit in the borders, but I think it's okay. The edges are fine. Like, let's quickly read out what's on the box. On the front side it says Mavic Mini, the everyday fly cam. Has a beautiful picture, and of course the restriction is that under 250 grams you don't need to register your drone. Above 250 grams you need to register with the civil aviation, and that's going to be a big headache, and you need to declare why you're using that, etc, etc, and that's a big problem. On the side it gives a glimpse of the features: 249 grams ultralight, maximum 30-minute flight time, 4 km HD transmission video, vision sensors plus GPS precision hover, 3-axle gimbal, 2.7K camera, simplified recording and editing. That's all. It asks you to download the applications from the App Store and Play Store, and on the other side you have a beautiful picture along with the remote, and on the other side it just says DJI, the brand. Of course this is a product of China as well. Okay, generic name, they classify this as toy drone or drone. I don't know what kind of people will pay 30,000 odd money for playing. Crazy. Okay, importer address. Okay, there is a bit of information here. Works with iMovies and Final Cut Pro, Mavic Mini, danger, read and understand user manual before everything, blah blah blah. Cut open the whole packaging. So nice. Here is the ultra light DJI drone. I think this definitely adheres to whatever they have mentioned on the box. It feels definitely very light. Okay, let's put the drone aside, and here is the remote control. This also feels heavy, guys. Okay, let's put this guy aside as well. What else do we have in the box? That's all from the documentation side. Let's open the package. Okay, you have the joystick controllers. Okay, these are the cables. Put the cables aside. These are the remote joystick controllers. Let's put them aside. We have two spare blades. If at all in case something is lost, you can definitely get these in handy. Then we have a small screwdriver, and then of course you have the charging cable. Right, you get a standard charging cable type B. That's all in the box, and nothing much. That's all from the box. So I just quickly realized that these cables are for the remote controller to connect to your phone. So this has the Apple Lightning conductor. This is a type C, and also you have a type B. You put it on it and turn. Here is where you connect your phone. Okay, snaps and just snaps. Come to DJI Fly. Okay, I've given the permissions. Obviously you have to do that. Hello while using the app. I agree, blah blah blah. Next, join. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do this register setup. Boom. This has a pretty nice tutorial in the beginning that you have to definitely go through. I just have gone through and I'm skipping it for now. Okay, I've set up the remote, but I've not set up the drone. So let's quickly jump into the drone and set the drone up. You just have to pull it out, that's it. And on the bottom, it's glued. Let me just quickly open this. This also comes up. Alright, we'll just quickly open the camera sticker as well. Photos. So here is where the battery is. The battery is dead, I think. We need to charge this before So the drone is currently under charge. Let's wait for some time before it holds the phone pretty tight and it's quite good. So this is where you need to connect the USB to your mobile phone. This is how it's connected, and you have the return home function here. Here is the power. You have the photo capture here and record button over here. Once the drone is charged, I'll get back to you. I mean, this is quite powerful motor. It's not holding in its position. I will take a bit of time to understand this and get this going, because the last drone that I was flying, it did not have altitude control and it was like shit, like honestly shit. I mean, what do you expect for 2.5k? But TK, like it has no stability. The stability that this offers is amazing, guys. Like, it's totally out of the proportion. It auto lands itself, finding a good place. I think overall this is an amazing purchase. I can't wait to fly this guy out. I mean, the altitude holding is amazing, guys. The controls is totally in your hands. Here you just place the controller. A lot of thought is put into this, guys. A lot of thought. You know, the intelligence that was fed to the drone is amazing, because the return home function, it quite landed in the same place where it took off. I mean, the way they have programmed it is like out of the world, guys. I mean, appreciate their intelligence. I really do that. I mean, how cool is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is something, guys. This thing is really really something. I think this will be a great addition to my vlogging collection. I definitely do think this is a great addition, guys. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and hit the comment section if you love something about this or if you are interested in something about it.